All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Check it out. I'm reading this book right here, and it says, Your Marriage, God's Way. Your marriage is one of the most important things in here, by the way. In this planet, as a Christian man or Christian woman, your marriage is one of the most important thing ever. It represents your relationship with your wife or your spouse. It represents kind of like your relationship with the Lord. If your marriage relationship is messed up, your relationship with God is going to be messed up too as well. It is what it is. That's just how it is. And I'm going to tell you, it's important to learn how to forgive each other, and it's important to learn how to be married, right? And again, I'm reading this book, really interesting book, and I want to share. This is going to be the beginning. I want to share things about this book that is impacting me. I really want to share it with you guys. You guys take it for what it is. Obviously, this book is going to be linked down below, affiliate links. If you buy it, it doesn't cost you any money. I make money, but it is what it is. So, again, I'm astonished by this writer. Really astonished. And I'm going to put my all man glasses on that I got right here. And I'm just going to share a section right here. It says, A Biblical Guide to a Christ-Centered Relationship. Your Marriage God's Way by Scott LaPierre. And you see it right there. But I'm going to share something that he said. And again, I'm not going to read the whole book or anything like that. But as we go through, or as I go through this, I'm going to share a couple things. First of all, I can't read this book and just read it and that's it. I got to read a couple pages and I got to meditate on it. You know, that's kind of how you do the Bible as well. But this is what he said, and it's illiterate in page 1. And I was like, whoa, that's really good. It says, although I was failing as a husband and father, this guy is a pastor, by the way. Although I was failing as a husband and father, I was able to convince myself that I was still pleasing the Lord. That's something that we always do. We always convince ourselves that we are pleasing God when we are not, right? You do something that you know in your heart is sin, you know is separating you from God. But what do? We find a way to justify it. Either we call somebody that we know that is going to justify it, or we find a part in the Bible that we're going to interpret this way to justify it. That's just what we do. All right, everybody does it. Don't get like so wrapped up around this. But again, although I was failing as a husband and as father, I was able to convince myself that I was still pleasing to the Lord or pleasing the Lord. And he used to say things like this: I am a Christian first. I am a Christian first. I am a spouse second. I am a parent third. I am an employee four. So again, people say that all the time. You say, I'm a Christian, I'm a husband, I'm a father, I work here. So that's very commonly a thing that people say. But this is the part that kind of impact me right here. He says, I need to, he's like changing his the way he's speaking, and he's saying, I'm going to come over here where he says, I should have said, I am a Christian spouse. I am a Christian parent. I am a Christian employee. You see, that was good. That was really good. Because again, we put this thing like, I'm a Christian, I'm a husband, I'm a father, I work in this place, or I'm a student, or I go to this, I'm a Christian. But you can't look at it that way. What he's saying is that I am a Christian, but I'm also a Christian father. I am a Christian, employee. Obviously, I'm a Christian husband. So when you put that in front of your label, whatever label you're giving yourself, you know that what you're going to do is going to be a Christian way, right? I'm a Christian husband, so I'm going to lead my wife. I'm going to have a relationship with my wife. I'm going to, set my principles, not on what my buddy tells me, not on what my this place tell me, not on what this or that. I'm going to put my relationship in Christ because I'm a Christian husband. I'm going to follow basic principles that our Lord Jesus Christ shows. I'm a Christian dad. And because I'm a Christian dad, I'm going to raise my children not like people said to do. I'm going to raise him in a, biblical kind of way. You know, I'm a Christian employee, so when I'm at work, I'm not gonna be part of the boys. I'm gonna make sure that I'm set apart. So when I do that, my fellow co-workers come to me and be like, what's going on? Why are you able to handle this situation this way and that way? And then I could spread the gospel. Well, the reason why I'm not flipping out about that is because I know the Lord is my hope. And then that's how you're going to make a difference. So again, it's not a Christian and then all these things. It's all this thing with the Christian in front. Man, that was deep. That was deep. God bless this guy. I tell you, I'm gonna make a lot of videos about this book. If you want to hear more about the book and some of the revelations that are getting out of this book, let me know in the comment section, because I'm telling you, I'm enjoying this book. I read 18 pages so far. Look what I got for marking, a little piece of cardboard, right? That's the Marine in me. But I read 18 pages, and I was astonished. I was just astonished. Like, some of the information that he's passing. So I'm gonna get a lot of, a lot out of this books. And if you guys want to buy it, obviously it is an affiliate link. But if you guys want to buy it and you guys want to kind of follow the stories on the videos and things like that, definitely let me know in the comment section below. I appreciate you guys watching, and as always, God is in control.